Hello there. Welcome to chariswings. So, here's how we get you profitable in 4 easy steps. Step 1, we help you redefine what the financial market is to you. Furthermore, you would be nurtured and taught the right fundamentals to trading. This is not just any fundamentals out there. We would be teaching you the right ways to see the financial market and trading. As a result, we would be skipping a lot of populated irrelevancies publicized out there. Second step, we would take you on a little journey that teaches you how to properly identify certain repetitive patterns price makes. Identifying these patterns makes trading conditions suitable for you to make your first active entry, what we refer to as the trade call. As a third note, we equip you with adequate and necessary knowledge on how to properly make these entries without putting your account in jeopardy. We show you the safe ways to take trades without being burnt when the market goes against your analysis. Fourth, we go over the method already taught to ensure you flowing and understanding as we sail through the program. We explain the right entry and exit methods so that you know how to go in and out of any trade. As a bonus, we would be teaching you how to properly utilize signal calls from other providers out there, just in case you still choose to. You should have the right ideologies in trading other people's signal. Also, we would show you the right ways to journal your trades. We would take you through the right psychology required in order to be successful and very profitable in trading. We guarantee that all questions from our pro membership are attended to promptly. We have an online agent waiting to clarify you on your questions. In cases where an explanatory clip is required, we offer them. This is to ensure that no one is left without a clear understanding of what's been taught. We hope you enjoy our service. See you where profitable traders meet.